Holy shit. Talk about, like, no, look at that white shit. That's actually my skin. It's a fucking light on. It's actually my skin. God damn. I'm changing into the walking fucking dead. Oh, god damn. Yep, that's happening. Chemicals, I guess. I don't know. Yay. Oh, fuck. I want to drink your blood. No, I'm going after that brain. Ain't that the Walking Dead? It wasn't the fucking blood, it was the brain. They was going after the brain. You know what brain eat motherfuckers. Oh. Well, alright, so next on the agenda is pull the starter off. I mean, I've sat here and I've tried it several times, and I've not had no issues after that one time, but I haven't moved the gear shifter. Alright, let's check it out, because, alright, here we go. Yeah, okay, we're good. Nothing. Oh, fuck. Nothing. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, look. Third try. Third time's a charm. Alright, so now I'm kind of thinking that maybe it might be in here. I might have to change something up. It's 20 some odd years old. It's a fucking old truck. But guess what? That air conditioning is just like pumping it out there. I'm liking it. Oh shit. Oh, what is wrong? Help me. Oh, well. Anyhow, I done changed the damn parking, reverse. It's emergency switch bullshit down there, and there might be a slight adjustment on it, but it's still doing the same damn thing, so that means it's something else. Alright, what can it be? We'll get down there and pull the starter out and clean it off real good. I ain't got a choice. That's next. We'll check there. And then after that, I'm puzzled because I changed the, well, it's a brain. It goes to the brain. It's another fucking module that operates gas pedal because there's no cable to the throttle body. It's all electronic. And every fucking thing on this truck's electronic, essentially. 2003. Damn. What? You don't even know what it is? It's 2500 HD. Next.